So Steve, what's you doing?
I'm doing the thing! Trying to get all these trims to sit right because they vibrate on everything.
Lovely.
And it's annoying me.
Hey dog, hello. Hello. What's up dog?
Doing tricks for the
Good
camera.
girl. Sit. Will I sit? Spin. Hey, look how obedient you are. That's some absolutely terrible filming.
I think
Good girl.
that's it. That bit's in. My factory race car. I'm going to call this the Club Sport Edition because I'm sure that's what Audi would call it. I don't really think I need all these random
No.
empty. It's not. That hasn't got an oil problem or anything.
Spares.
But I mean, seem to be collecting them. I might take this to the car wash later and get it.
Right, so just making a little bracket for Steve's interior piece so we can fix it in properly. Nothing too technical because we don't do technical, as you can probably tell already.
Oh, I found a full bottle of Pepsi Max in my car as well. That's in the fridge.
Nice. Yes, I am cutting a plastic container off the cyclones because retard. Do you reckon we get sponsored by Makita?
Oh, that'd be lovely.
Yeah.
I was doing something, I can't remember what I was doing. Oh no, that's what's doing, it's getting Hoover.
Oh yeah, under there. I feel like I'm back in college or something with these overalls on. Not proper like. Do you not reckon?
Oh, I'm a health and safety expert.
Well, not even that. Like, do you know, like your first few weeks of college, when like all your overalls fit and haven't got holes in, you haven't set light to them yet.
Oh, you mean the sucky couple of weeks?
Yeah.
They seem to have acquired a Mini. This belongs to... Actually, I'm not going to give him the satisfaction just yet of putting his name out, because anything he's got a feature. But yeah, Mini with an engine that's broken, so that's got to come out. Another one's got to go in there, and I'm trying to make them see-through again because the daily's been a bit neglected and they're so cloudy the headlights barely work. So yeah, I'm just polishing them up. Hopefully I'll be able to see out of them. Well, that's a bit better. Can actually see out of them now. I've never been that clean since I've owned the car. This one looks like it's got a bit of fog inside the lens in places. Right, you can't really see it, but oh, it's a million times better than the old girl. Looking a bit like how she used to. Must stop neglecting the daily. He's going to explain why his car's here, but I'm not allowed to mention his name because Charlie told me not to. Why is your car here? Wait, looking at you.
Because we did the engine. Well, as a collective, we managed to.
We didn't do the engine.
I fitted my engine in the dark with a Haynes manual that the dog pissed on, and and then we did a mile at Snetterton and it went bang, and then now we're here and we'll try and have a good time. So
it's true, he did a sighting lap, come back and said it's making a funny noise, and Will just told him to send it. Turns out probably wasn't the best idea. Big end bearings, absolutely dead. But he should have still sent it. One more hurt could he have done.
But before we even had this off the trailer, he nearly wrote my car off.
which is my special.
So he pulled into Stetson, stopped, decided to ring me, so I got my phone out of my pocket and then reversed at me. so I'm now trying to get my phone out of my pocket, answer it while someone is backing his trailer and car towards mine.
Thankfully he fit that horn.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then Steve actually broke my engine by going full send down my estate whilst I was the passenger.
But you didn't have a little bit of rubber on your tyre, did you? It was making a funny noise.
I mean, that's not entirely accurate. He said, can you drive it to hear the noise? So I did. He didn't say anything about I couldn't touch the rev limiter.
Still need to buy it.
Oh, what a cunt! I forgot
Still
about
need to
that.
purchase some decent labour bars. We got these like Tesco Valley ones that you bought, which
They're made of cheese.
they bend more than what you're levering at. Unless you're like, I mean,
little 13mm.
you can bend them open in a pot of paint, but you've all seen me open a pot of paint.
Yeah, so this is having an engine. An engine. Again. Because Simon's good at breaking them, so it's having a new one. But yeah, it's there. It's a Mini.
It's mostly having a new engine because he doesn't trust himself to do it again, so he's bought one that's already built.
I see his point.
Yeah, it would be nice to have someone else to blame when things go wrong, to be fair.
Oh my god, you literally have any 13mm. Hey, 13mm.
So, there's a toolbox in front of your car that's full of sockets.
Is that what do you want? Yeah.
I need to undo the bits from the end.
There.
Ah, yes. And the thingy?
That,
The thing you had to undo to drain your broiler out.
I think it's there.
there.
I think he should stick to cooking burgers in a microwave.
I still haven't cooked us any food, so. It's been well over a year now that we've
I do
put up with you. Had no food
I
whatsoever.
thought I did something.
No, you keep promising
No,
that
you
you
keep-
can do roast dinners better than any other roast dinner, but you've yet to let me sample one.
Well, you make cake and just take it to Adam.
Yeah.
But not us.
Yeah, that happened. And then you make bread with holes in it.
Oh yeah.
There was literally like no bread there, it was just crust.
Yeah, I know. I thought you were going to abuse it more than you did.
And then nut-free almond marzipan, apparently.
Probably in my
Richard.
somewhere.
Still broke.
Yeah. It can stay that way for quite some time as well. It's dead to me now. If anyone
Rich,
wants
is
to
that-
lay on, there's one right there and you can have one.
Look at Rich just sitting around.
Yeah. I've got nothing to do, I don't own a car anymore. It's dead to me.
What's that?
Don't know, something. If anyone wants it, they can have it.
Richard's being a little bitch because his car's broken. He's too poor to fix it.
Yeah.
Would anyone like to donate a VR6 24 valve timing chain and kit?
Yeah.
Or an R32 engine?
Yeah.
Then call Richard.
But to be specific, if you donate a timing belt kit, timing chain kit for a 24 valve, you must come and fit it as well.
So you should just be able to get it between this.
Can I just tap that out?
Yeah, you can smash that one.
Oh, it's coming.
Nice.
Oh, where's it? I mean, can you get the shit brain tray? Just in case any comes out.
Shit one.
Been through a lot.
Why, thank you.
Steve's just done more than I've done in the last hour.
There's a bite off there, left. Chains and
Would you not think you need the hammer?
Oh, yeah, I need that.
and some rod there.
Oh no, what happened to that ball joint splitter? How did that get broken?
Steve hit it with a hammer.
It is made of 100% Chinesium.
I had this. I bought that,
What's that saying
when
you
I
kill a
first
vampire
got my
with?
Mark II.
Is that like the only tool in here that you actually bought?
Is it out yet?
Hey.
Fucking hell. It's well long, isn't it?
That's what she said.
No, she didn't.
I know she was talking to Gareth.
Make his nipples alright.
Yeah.
You can turn the nipples off.
Yeah.
Why?
I wish I could turn my nipples off.
Yeah. They're dead to me! They do nothing!
You forgot the wheel, mate. Alright, that's about it from us morons. Moron.
Hello.
Double moron. But yeah, we had enough for today. It's dark outside. So we're giving up. We'll come back at some point and do some more. Not April. Simon will cry if his car's left here till April.
Simon won't
I
cry.
think he will. It's been in the garage for the last 6 months.
Can we come back in April because it'll be slightly warmer? Probably as wet, but slightly warmer.
No, not April. We'll be back
On the floor.
probably next week. We'll probably have another video up. Until then, like and subscribe. See you later.
Bye!
Goodbye, have a really good time.